Hi, Isaac here. Gonna teach you all how to make masks during this time, just to kind of do something with old t-shirts and with old bandanas. First off, you're just gonna need some old t-shirts you really don't want anymore. Don't care if you cut up. Maybe some old bandanas that you haven't used in a while. Coffee filters, uh, rubber bands, scissors, and a ruler. Not much to what you're gonna need to start up. Alright, so first I'm going to show you how to make the t-shirts, and they're going to be using just about 7 or 8 inches of the bottom of the t-shirt, and you're going to want to start by cutting off 7 to 8 inches just above the bottom. And so you'll want to make incisions on both sides just so you kind of have a starting spot to cut to and an ending spot just so you can kind of make a decently straight line. So then you're going to have this strip of material to work with, and you're going to want to cut it again so that you will have a part that will be the mask and then 2 strings that will be able to be tied back around your neck and above your head. Then you're going to want to go ahead and cut those strings at the ends so that they have 2 parts to them so that you can actually tie them. Then your shirt one's finished. You go ahead and try it on. Cut the strings if they're a little too long, and that's the end of the t-shirt one. Next up are the bandanas. You're going to want to just take one of them and lay it out full squared. Then you're going to want to fold it in half. And then you'll put your coffee filter kind of fold in half and put it in the middle of it, kind of laying horizontal. Then you'll want to fold it into thirds, the first fold going over the filter, and then the second kind of closing up it like a burrito. And then you're going to want to put rubber bands about a fourth of the way on each side. You can adjust them how you want. And then you're going to fold the ends in on the bandana, and you're going to kind of tuck one into the other just to make it a little cleaner. And then you pretty much got it. You can just put those rubber bands on your ears, and here are some other notes you can look at so that you use it properly and that it's effective. Thank you.